up 5.06%. This is Thursday, the 6th of November, 2025, but still post market session of Wednesday, the 5th. Okay. Let's see now. Intraday low yesterday, on Tuesday, the 4th was at $6.63. Okay, let's see what we have. The extrapolation is saying that low, well, some strength might remain in place at least up till Monday the 10th. Okay, yeah, and then after that, a distributive contraction that may remain up till the middle of December. No guarantee that that will be the case. As things stand right now, projections are currently saying 9.01, 10.07, 10.73. Okay, the pivotal projection there is at 10.73. Okay, what are the odds that it will print such levels? Okay, so as things stand right now as well, rather the extrapolation is saying that the stock may drop. Let's see now, it may merge with its 10-day moving average. So that convergence is already a few days away. Okay, so all in all, momentum is expected to just begin to fizzle out, but not expecting. It's not expected to plunge dramatically, but just gradually begins. Yeah, it's expected to gradually uh, go into a decay. But in any case, the stock is currently trending. The company's earnings outcomes will be delivered by the end of today's trading session. Let's hear more about that. Okay.
Opendoor Technologies Inc. is trending as anticipation builds ahead of its upcoming earnings report, with retail investors and traders closely watching for potential surprises and strategic updates. The community buzz has intensified following speculation about a possible partnership with Robinhood Markets Inc., a move that could significantly expand Opendoor's visibility among retail investors. Adding to the excitement, CEO Kaz Nejatian recently announced that Opendoor plans to revamp its traditional quarterly earnings call into a more engaging and transparent financial open house format. The session will reportedly be live streamed across multiple platforms, including Robinhood, marking a major shift toward accessibility and direct investor communication. This innovative approach has sparked comparisons to Tesla's early community driven investor outreach and is being viewed as a potential branding and sentiment catalyst for open stock. Key themes in community discussions: momentum and key technical levels. Traders are closely monitoring support zones as the stock consolidates ahead of earnings. A decisive move above resistance could trigger short covering, with some speculators eyeing the potential for a short squeeze if volume surges post earnings. Retail engagement strategy. The financial open house concept is generating enthusiasm among retail investors who appreciate the transparency and inclusion. Broadcasting on Robinhood could attract a younger, more active investor base, potentially boosting short term trading interest. Kaz Nejatian's vision. Investors are eager for clarity on the CEO's turnaround strategy, which focuses on operational efficiency, disciplined inventory management, and tech driven pricing models. The upcoming event could serve as a platform to reinforce confidence in this long term vision. Macro and market concerns. Despite the optimism, some traders remain cautious. The broader market downturn and weakness in real estate and tech related names could temper any bullish momentum. With persistent interest rate uncertainty, risk sentiment remains fragile. In summary, Opendoor's upcoming earnings are shaping up as a pivotal moment for both sentiment and strategy. Between speculation of a Robinhood partnership, the new financial open house format, and the potential for heightened retail participation, Open could see elevated volatility. However, macro headwinds and market pressure continue to pose challenges for sustained upside.
Okay, look at this. This is the November 7 November 7 call contracts. Okay, this will expire on Friday. Okay, so tomorrow. So you can see here, of course, you know what gamma squeeze means. when the open interests begins to open interest begins to rise, market makers may be forced to start buying, because you can see from here, from $7 all the way down to $10. Well, it doesn't look like a lot, but I mean, given that the stock is trending, you never know what's going to happen. It looks quite reasonable, quite decent, quite decent. It could be more. It could be more. In the days of maybe, I mean, one. How would I say now? In other cases, probably with GameStop and AMC, contracts may, you know, probably in the contracts may have noticed may have been in six digits, so, but it doesn't have to be up to that. This could still force them to start buying. So the point I'm trying to make is that we have seen $10 here, and I was mentioning that that has a pivotal projection of around 10.73, around 10.73. So you see, uh, you never know how that could align if it, statistically, if it gets to 10.73, then there's a huge potential that it could even go higher. And we've seen $10 future as a target for call traders. Yeah. So that's what's going on right now. The stock is currently trending. Just see what you make of open stock. Yeah, we could just quickly have a look at its 4-hour chart and see what's going on there, because the 4-hour chart is currently active. We might just get some projections there. Okay, the extrapolation is saying that it may remain strong up till Monday as well. This is Monday, the pre-market session, just as in the daily charts. Okay, even though the daily chart is saying till it close, this is saying up till the pre-market session, and well, it may still maintain some strength up till midday or thereabout. Okay, projections are currently saying to the downside 5.69, 6.02, 6.58. Let's see what yeah, you have this pivotal projection here, 10.85, yeah, 10.85, yeah, 10.85, yeah. Okay, well, 10.85, 10.73, you can see we have an alignment in terms of projection, even though this is currently not in play, but still relevant. So we'll see. It is a, yeah, if it does do that, then we may be looking at the prospects of testing some highs we haven't seen before. Well, I mean, yeah, I don't think we have any. We could just go back to the daily chart, where I think the stock is trading at its 52-week highs. Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, that will take it beyond its 52-week high. Yeah, yeah. Has it ever had anything beyond 10.73? Let's see, 10.73. What do we have here? No, no, no. Yeah. Okay, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. What is this? 2.95. Yeah. Okay. So have a look and see what you make of open stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.